G'day and happy Cocktail Fridays. As always, I'm your host Troy. Today we are making a Bloody Mary.
Yeah, I guess I had one too many Bloody Marys this morning. But anyway...
This traditional cocktail calls for vodka, tomato juice, Worcestershire sauce, Tabasco sauce, a little bit of table salt, some fresh lemon, and a stick of celery. Into a glass, add 45 ml of vodka, 20 ml of fresh lemon, 5 ml of Worcestershire sauce, a dash of Tabasco sauce, a sprinkle of salt, stir with the celery stick, then top up with your tomato juice. Add a little bit of ice, stir again, and you're done. Tell us what you would do to improve this recipe. See you next time.